Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing from Dooney and Burke. Oh, sorry, I love Dooney.com. This is a bag, well, two of them. Technically, I got them on their recent up to 70% off holiday sale, and it was a pretty sweet deal. And it's one that I know that I'm gonna use if it ends up looking okay. It's a go-to bag. Well, the more expensive one is a go-to one. So I'm really excited I finally got it. So I have always wanted this. It finally went back on the site a couple months ago or three, back to both Dooney.com and ilovedooney.com. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay. The box looks okay. Okay. Ooh. Well, that's kind of interesting. Okay. Obviously, I got the newer dust bags. And the only thing is, you guys, I ordered 2 bags and I only see one in here. But I got the one that was, you know, the most highest price of the main bag. I will show it to you. Okay. All right. This is the Dooney & Burke. Let's see if you could see that. I have it kind of zoomed in. This is the Shiny It crossbody. And I'll go ahead and open it up for you. Okay, this is really cute. Okay. So I'll show you this real quick. Okay. So this is the thing it comes with. It says black crossbody / medium wristlet. Okay. Alright. Looks like it was never used. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so it's just multicolored. And I think it's like a smooth leather for the zipper pulls, strap, and the bottom parts there. And the only thing is, oh, here it is. Okay, so this is the accessory it comes with. So this is I think it's considered a medium wristlet. I'd have to cut off to detach it, but yeah, this is really cute. It's really small. Oh, I didn't know this. Oh, look. There's a little keychain. Not that I would necessarily use it, but I could attach it to my keys. But that's pretty cute. But yeah, it's the same setup as the, oh yeah, and it comes with a little wristlet strap. Same setup as my regular Dooney & Burke crossbody, the one that's just called crossbody, which is a really nondescript, weird, or undescriptive name. But have lots of stuffing, or a fair amount. But standard Dooney setup. It's really stiff. These bags come, the Shiny is really stiff. There's a zip pocket in the back, a slip pocket, and then the front 2 slip pockets, and they're all collared with the black trim. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep it. The only thing is, like I said to you guys, the Shiny Its are really heavy. But it is crossbody, and this is like very, very comfort wise. So I'm probably going to keep it. The only thing that, like I said, what I noticed when I first got this package is it's missing an item, but my receipt says it's just listing this. So the other item that I got, I can tell you what it is. It's one of those, you know, clear lunch bags by Dooney & Burke, and it's it may be called DB Sport, whatever, in the color yellow. So the strap is yellow, but there's those multicolored ducks on it, and it's so cute. And it was a very good deal. So it may have gone on back order, or it might be shipping separately. Let me know if you guys experienced that, if you've had stuff shipped separately from I Love Dooney. But I do know that I've had stuff being back ordered before, which was a pain, so I had to finally, they don't notify you when it's back ordered, by the way. I had to experience that the first time, so I had to call customer service, and I just had them cancel it just because I wanted to. So, but they don't email you that stuff. So But yeah, so and like I said, it's a really long strap too. So the only thing is it's kind of heavy, but I think I am going to keep it. But there's no feet on the bottom. But this is really easily washable, you know. So just, you know, don't hit it on some rocks or anything on the bottom. So, but yeah, just wanted to show you that quick unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing as well. And I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.